Welcome! In this video, we're going to guide you through the updated process of changing the group image on Instagram. Whether you're looking to refresh your group chat's look or simply want to personalize it, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features smoothly. Next, click on the messages icon located at the top of the page. This icon looks like a paper airplane and will take you directly to your direct messages and group chats. Once you're in your messages, find the group you want to change the image for. Scroll through your list of chats until you locate the specific group. This is where all your friends or family members communicate, so make sure it's the right one. Now that you've found your group, click on the name of the group at the top of the chat screen. This will open up a menu with various options related to that group. Here, you'll see an option labeled Change Name and Image. Tap on this option to proceed. After tapping that, you'll be prompted to change the image. You can either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. Choose an image that best represents your group, whether it's a fun selfie or a relevant picture that captures your group's essence. Once you've selected or taken your new image, don't forget to click Done at the top right corner of the screen. This finalizes your changes and updates the group image for everyone in the chat. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the group image on Instagram. This simple process not only adds a personal touch, but also helps everyone in the group easily identify their chat among others. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting!